It has taken years of dedication and hard work for me to grow this hair from my scalp. I'm just kidding, it's a wig. This is the 18-inch bye-bye leave-out thin pot wig from HerGivenHair. You don't need any leave-outs, you literally just clip it in and go. Today I'm going to be reviewing this wig that I got from HerGivenHair. This is a V-pot wig with 5 clips at the top, 3 clips around the cap, and an adjustable strap to secure the hair on your head. The hair also came with a comb, a card with a handwritten letter by Amara, which is so nice, some information about the wig, an extra clip, and a bag for your wig. How cute. Firstly, we're going to start off by cutting that part which is keeping the V-pot wig intact, so it's easier for me to clip the wig on each side of my parting. Next, I'm going to take the wig and clip it down each side of my parting on my natural hair. I chose to do it down the middle because I love a middle part. After you feel like your hair is secure enough and placed exactly where you want it to be, take a piece of hair which is closest to the parting and just tease it down just to give it a seamless and effortless finish. I then spray the hair down with some water just to brush out the curls and to give the hair more volume. As you guys can see, no leave outs, you just clip it in and you're done. What I love about this wig is how full it is. The hair is so soft and doesn't have any weird smell. HerGivenHair sells many products which mimic the texture of natural hair of women of color. And there's a variety of textures to choose from, so you should go check them out. My overall review is that I really love this hair. I would recommend this hair to anyone who's on the go. I would like to give a special thanks to HerGivenHair for sending me this wig. And for anyone else who wants this exact hair, I'll leave the link in the description box below with a special code which you can use to get a discount on your purchase. Thank you guys for watching my video. I'll see you in my next one.